Hello everyone, in this video I will be show you how you can edit videos on iPhone camera rolls easily. So just going to photos on your phone and select the video that you want to edit, and then you can tap on edit option in the top right corner and just going to edit. So you can just for this option, the auto or exposure, so highlight just for this shadow, contrast, brightness, black point, saturation, or you can add this effect. So you can also rotate or mirror. So just click down, and it's basic, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.